In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace NaN with 0, 0 in Power BI. If you've ever run into NaN or error values in a column and watched your visuals break or your totals look strange, this quick fix will make your reports cleaner and more reliable. Start by heading to the table view of your data. This is where you can see your models, tables, and columns in a grid, making it easy to spot where those NaN or error values are popping up. Once you're there, click on the column header that contains the problematic values. Selecting the column ensures the formula bar shows you the expression that defines this column. If you don't see the formula bar, make sure it's enabled so you can edit the expression directly. Now, we're going to use the iferror function to safely handle any errors without changing the logic of your original calculation. In the formula bar, place your cursor at the very beginning of the existing formula and type iferror, followed by an opening parenthesis. Then, surround the entire original formula with a matching closing parenthesis so it becomes the first argument to iferror. After that closing parenthesis, add a comma and type 0, then close the iferror with a final parenthesis. In plain language, you're telling Power BI, try to calculate this as usual, and if there's any error at all, return 0 instead. You're not rewriting the logic, you're simply wrapping it to catch errors gracefully. Press Enter to apply the change. Power BI will recalculate the column, and anywhere there was a NaN or an error, you'll now see a 0. This is especially helpful for charts, totals, and any downstream measures that depend on clean numeric values. Your visuals won't break, and aggregations will behave predictably. A quick note on interpretation. Replacing errors with 0 is great when a 0 makes practical sense for your analysis, such as missing values that should be treated as none or 0 quantity. If 0 could be misleading in your context, consider flagging or reviewing those rows separately before finalizing your report. But for many common scenarios, iferror with 0 is a fast, dependable solution. And there you go. You navigated to the table view, selected the column with issues, wrapped its existing formula in iferror, added a comma and 0 at the end, and instantly converted error values into zeros. That's all you need to keep your data clean and your visuals stable.